What's the dealer's position, guys? If that's price and that's delta. Dealer longs, right? If that's a dealer long position, what direction would you imagine the price is going to go in? Correct? You would imagine the price is going to explode high upside. Everybody agree with that? So on that basis, does everybody agree? Does everybody agree with the chart? Let's take a look. On that basis, does everybody agree with the chart? Let's see if you all agree with my long trade. Does everybody agree with the long trade? So here's let me just draw a line across this face here. Does everybody agree that's pretty flat? Does everybody agree that the price is doing this? So if that's what is happening, does everybody agree that this is a long trade for higher prices? Does everybody agree that my trade should be trying to buy into these pullbacks here? So when I buy into those pullbacks and I get some pretty good longs, I'm expecting to see a big surge into the upside. I'm expecting them to run the stops, run the liquidity away from that price so that I can get a sell at higher prints to get into a short trade. Because that's what's needed, because short-term value, the cyclicals were buying, the NASDAQ, the S&P was buying, the volatility was buying short-term. So what do you think is going to happen? Is the price going to go down when there's buying on all the other indexes? Of course it's not. The price is going to go up. So I need to let the price go up. I need to be behind that price going up. So with everything else buying and the dealers getting net long, they're getting net long when everybody's buying. Yes, I've got macro selling ability. That's why I was able to flip the high price into a short trade, but I've got to get that high price first, right? So yes, I sold the high price up here. I started to sell into that because I wanted to be net short, because that's what the trade was. That was what the macro trade was. But I've got to get there first. Getting there can provide you with a lot of profits as a local. Commercials aren't going to sell into this. Why would the commercial sell into this? The dealer's buying into it. Somebody's buying into it. So therefore, they are not selling into it if they're buying into it, correct? So this is dead easy. All I've got to do is buy these down ticks, and I manage to accumulate a fair size of position. And then when we get this breakaway, the dealer distributes all of that position. So the dealer distributes all of that position, clears the book, and then it clears me to start selling a higher price. As soon as that price jams, once they close off the sellers, take a look. There's no buyers there, so they're now basically trying to pull the price up to close off the sell. There's no buyers. Sorry, they're closing off the buyers. There's no more buyers. It's finished. It's time to get short. So I basically was able to swing the whole way up, swing the whole way back down again, and I made myself tens of thousands of dollars profit on that little swing trade right there. Short-term value on top of longer-term position value as well, guys. If there's macro value, they've got to take it into a macro level. So take advantage when the dealers agree with that idea of taking it into a macro value area.